Karma Guy here. Check out this 2015 Hyundai Veloster Reflex. With a clean Carfax and extremely low miles, just 55,000. It has a dealer service history, a recent $605 service, and comes with its original books and up-to-date GA emissions. This sporty ride is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, with options to add a 5-year maintenance plan or a lifetime warranty upgrade at a discounted price. Recent services include spark plugs, cabin air filter, pre-delivery inspection, and a fresh oil change. We encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure peace of mind. We've also included a recent computer scan in the photos, showing all 8 monitors completed and no trouble codes. This Veloster has passed diagnostics with flying colors and is road ready. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, but you can still upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Drive with confidence in the stylish and reliable Veloster.